Hi, I'm John with Glass Tender Parts and Technical Service, and today we're going to talk about replacing a door gasket. Okay, replacing a door gasket can kind of be tricky. We want to make sure that we're very careful with it. What we're going to do is start at the corner and slowly pull out. Once you pull out, you will notice that there's a dart at the back side of the gasket itself. Slowly work that gasket out of this channel here. Be very, very careful. If you use a screwdriver or something metal, it'd be best to use something plastic. That way you don't damage that rail. If you damage this rail, you do have to replace the door. This plastic is foamed into place and unreplaceable. Go ahead and work the gasket along. Putting the gasket back into place, you want to put this dart inside of the channel here and slowly press back into the channel. Sometimes these gaskets get bent in shipping or are small because they're cold. Soaking them in hot water will help stretch the gasket out and make it more pliable and a little bit easier for you to install the gasket onto the door. Once your gasket's installed, go ahead and check the door, make sure that it fit. Check the sides and the top and the bottom to make sure you have a good seal onto your cooler, and you should be good to go.